I love a classic BLT, but I also really love cheese. So let's make a BLTC. BLT, it's an easy sandwich to make. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, and today we're adding C at the end for cheese. The most important letter in a BLT is the tomato. Don't forget it. It really is a tomato sandwich at the end of the day. And you want the best tomatoes that you can get. They're in season now. I have some heirloom tomatoes that are flavorful and juicy, but get what you can where you are. And if you grow them yourself, even better. Farmer's market, amazing. If you have to go to the grocery store, you go to the grocery store. It's okay. One thing that is going to elevate your BLT along with a burger or any sandwich that you have tomato slices is seasoned with salt and freshly cracked pepper. It's gonna just add so much more flavor. So if there's anything that you get out of this recipe video today is season your tomatoes. Let's make a BLT.
All right, so let's start with the bacon. I'm making 2 sandwiches today, and I'm gonna go for about 4 strips per sandwich. Lay the bacon down on a sheet pan, lined with parchment paper, and place in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Start checking in around the 15-minute mark to either move the tray around if you have hot spots in your oven, and to check the desired doneness that you prefer. Grab your tomatoes and slice with whatever thickness you like. I'm gonna go with about 1/2 inch thick, and we're gonna season the slices when we build our sandwich. Iceberg lettuce is my choice for a BLT, light, crunchy, fresh, and just perfect for a BLT, but use whatever you like. I love mayo, so I have some options for you. Regular mayo is great. Kewpie mayo, which is a Japanese mayo that only uses egg yolks, is savory, tangy, and delicious. I recently tried vegan mayo as well, and was really surprised at how good it is. And of course, I can't be talking about mayo and not mention what you see on this channel often, bomba mayo. Any ratio of bomba sauce to mayo, just mix it up and you're good to go. Now for the C in this BLT. Halloumi cheese, an awesome, salty, squeaky cheese that grills up nicely while still holding its shape. It's perfect for this BLT. Slice up some halloumi slices and place in a dry pan on low to medium heat and grill both sides of cheese about 2 to 3 minutes per side and then just remove to a plate. When your bacon is done, remove to a plate lined with paper towel just to soak up any excess grease. And if you use bacon fat for any other uses, go ahead, put it in your jar. It keeps well in the fridge and can be used to add great flavor to tons of recipes. For the bread, I like using a white bread. This is a Dutch crunch bread. You can butter the bread if you like and toast both sides. And now we can build our BLTC. Add a generous amount of mayo on 1/2 of your bread, and then the lettuce on top. The mayo will help hold the lettuce in place. Now for the star of the dish, the tomato slices, and of course, you must season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Then add the halloumi on top, and then your bacon, and because I love mayo, I'm adding more mayo to the other half of the bread, and give a nice squish, slice into triangles, yes, triangles, and bring it to the table.
All right, so if you get a nice puddle of tomato juice, you did well. This is amazing, and the addition of the halloumi cheese just adds a little bit of a salty bite to it. This is amazing. It's a simple dish, simple classic BLTC. So I hope you give this a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.